How to extend EV battery life. Want to make your EV battery last longer? Here are essential tips to extend its lifespan and save on costly replacements. Why it matters. EV batteries typically last 8 to 15 years, but bad habits can reduce their lifespan. So, how can you keep your battery healthy? What causes battery degradation? 3 major factors impact battery life. Extreme temperatures, heat accelerates wear, cold slows performance. Fast charging. DC fast charging is convenient, but strains the battery. Overcharging and deep discharge, keeping the battery between 20% to 80% helps maintain capacity. 5 simple tips to extend battery life. Follow these easy steps to maximize battery life. Use level 1 or 2 charging instead of fast charging regularly. Avoid aggressive acceleration. Smooth driving reduces battery strain. Precondition your battery in extreme weather before driving. Park in a shaded or temperature-controlled area to prevent overheating. Schedule routine maintenance. Check tire pressure and software updates. Bonus tip, know your EV. Each EV is different. Use your car's manual or app to monitor battery health and charging patterns. Conclusion. Want more EV tips? Check out our blog at evbatterycentral.com. Keep your EV running longer and drive smarter.